Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Boy. It's another ChEring episode, and today I would like to talk about non-technical read for chemical engineers. For the context of non-technical read here, I will focus on something that is still related with process engineering or process industry, but from the non-technical engineering side. I hope you will get what I mean when I give the recommendation list later on. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to get a weekly chemical engineering video from this channel. And hit the like and share button if you think that this video is useful for you. Okay, so let's start with the list. On my first list is an article with the title Better Living into Chemistry, the Chemical Industry in World Economy by Thomas L. Ilken. This article is published by Cambridge University Press on 2009. Let's dig deeper to the section. The first section discusses about the difference between chemical industry and also other type of industry, such as a manufacturer or textile industry, which are classified into three main difference, which are the product diversity, concentrated and highly competitive, and the last one is the low political feasibility. On the next section, the author discusses on the struggle and also the glory period of chemical industry from several leading countries. For me, these articles open my horizon on the history of chemical industry and how this industry could survive from time to time. It is also a reminder for me that chemical industry is very essential for human life, and that's why it is still exists up to now. One interesting statement that I found in this article, chemical has often called as recession-proof industry. Second read on my list is Chemical Economics Handbook from S&P Global Commodity Insights. If you are interested to know more about certain commodities, then this resource might be useful for you. So this is the list of chemical market report that you could access from the website. From a glance, I could see around 100 plus chemicals are listed here, which are huge. So let's take a look at one of the chemical at this list. So this is one of the example of the report abstract. So the report abstract can be freely accessed from the website, while the full report is not free. You should pay for it. So yeah, this is the example for ammonia. So on the first page, it is shown the world consumption of ammonia, where it is mainly on the mainland China and so on and so on. So the next paragraph talks about how the chemical utilized in the downstream process. Next, we can take a look at the table of contents. Okay, so early section discuss on the world supply and demand, such as the capacity, production, consumption, price, and trade. While in the later section, it will talk in more details to each region. For each region, we could see several information such as the major producing companies, capacity, this important statistics, production, consumption, and also the price and trade. What makes this report interesting is that there are several technical information available in this report, which is related to the manufacturing process of the chemicals. It doesn't only present one of the route or the commercial route, but every route is presented in this report. So for example, here is the syngas production. We could see there are several routes. The commercial one or the most common one is the steam reforming, but there are also the novel processes such as electrolysis and autothermal processing. For me, this report implicitly tells that it is made for chemical engineers that focus or work on the non-technical aspect. For example, if you are a BD or business development in a chemical plant. Last read on my list is Marketing and Sales in the Chemical Industry by Rolf Jacobi. Let's talk about the book content. On early chapter, the reader will be introduced with the marketing concept, especially B2B marketing, since chemical industry marketing closely related with B2B concept. The next session discuss about international market structure and how politic and sociological environment could affect chemical industries. After that, the book explains about marketing for chemical engineering project and chemical commodities. And on the last section, the market of several commodities and chemicals are discussed in detail. This book preface tells clearly the intention of the book. It is dedicated for scientists or engineers as a guide to understand the world of marketers and be able to communicate in their language. So don't look for market research in this book. So that's my top 3 non-technical reads for chemical engineer. If you have any other good book or reads, feel free to share in the comment section below. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you and see you at the next ChEring episode. Bye bye.